The thunderstorm tops have decreased as well. There's no indication of any hail in this. We still have a few cloud-to-ground lightning bolts. There's more cloud-to-cloud lightning strokes than there are cloud-to-ground. But nevertheless, even with a few cloud-to-ground strokes, it is still somewhat dangerous. But as you can see, the rainfall is going to be primarily very near or just offshore from Boston. A very close call as that storm comes right over just to the east of the Esplanade. It was severe up in portions of the Merrimack Valley and in southern New Hampshire, but it has weakened quite a bit and it's no longer severe. So it's only lasting very short time. It's moving at 25 miles an hour. It continues to weaken and shrink. So it'll go by very quickly, and then all systems go as we get deeper into the evening hours and more celebration of July 4th. Kate, back to you.
All right, Barry, thank you. While we wait for this weather to pass, let's continue on with the show now. From last night's rehearsal on the Esplanade, let's watch now Keith Lockhart and the Boston Pops in the 1812 Overture.
We dedicate this concert tonight to the man who launched this great Boston tradition, the late beloved maestro of the Boston Pops, Arthur Fiedler. This one's for you, Arthur.